Alright, so this is 897 Keene Road in Largo, and we just removed quite a bit of cast iron scale from this line, so we're going to run a camera through it and make sure that all of the debris is removed. So we're going to run under the house first. So we are at the end. This is the stack 56 feet in, and the pipe looks really good. All the cast iron debris has been removed. Just be sure not to use any flushable wipes or Charmin or Cottonelle, since it is that long of a cast iron run. So we're going to pull back to the clean out, and then we'll camera from the clean out to the city main to check that as well. Alright, so we're back out at the clean out, and now we're going to go towards the city, towards the street, towards the city sewer. Looks like clay or concrete pipe. This pipe's in really good shape. Another 45. We're going to be dropping down towards the city. And there's our clean out, which means this is going to be our drop right here to the city tap. There she is. Everything's beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and conclude the video.